Will Ferrell was on Hot Ones last night. It was pretty good.
This is Dave with Wood Art, and just want to take a moment to extend a warm and heartfelt thank you for keeping up with us the last year. You know, it's been a wild ride full of ups and downs, even a hurricane, and things are only getting better. So here's one for the new year. Coming up, we got a couple new video series that we want to tell you about. We're going to be doing a bunch of how-tos covering everything from milling lumber, a little bit of CNC work, some welding, working with different types of, wood finishes, and of course, everybody's favorite subject that has to go in absolutely every project, epoxy. Coming up as well, we got some tool reviews. We want to cover what's been working for us, what's not been working. There are a lot of guys that are like, you got to have the most expensive stuff, those name brands out there. A lot of those, we just don't find ourselves using. We got some of those name brands that just sit on the rack and collect dust all day while we use the big box store stuff because it just works. Coming up as well, we got a in-depth start to finish on epoxy river tables, where each and every step is going to have its own video, deep diving into the subject so you can master it at home yourself. If that sounds like something you're into, hit that subscribe button and smash that bell icon for notifications. And if there's a tool that you like using that doesn't get a good rap out there or a lot of exposure, go ahead and leave that in the comments section and tell us what you think we should cover. And if we don't already have it, we're going to go out and go buy the thing, see if it's actually worth it or not. So I guess I'll just go ahead and leave you here with some highlights from the past month. Happy New Year, everybody.
Sun, how are you? Skies above. Jeeps.
I took the course. I literally certified.
This is
Right on my eyeballs over here. Hot. You're rich with love.
You can't buy happiness.
Yes, it can.
Yeah, nobody can pay all the bills that are making me miserable. You buy a jet ski, you ever seen someone not smile on a jet ski? Just once.
This spot's gonna be sitting low because it all wants to go down there.
It's not too late to crop it a little bit.
Shit.
This side needs to go up a little bit. All of us are still chasing those wood bunnies.
Wood bunnies. Oh, she doesn't know about this.
About
The wood bunnies?
Do you watch
No.
Letterkenny
Letterkenny?
or Shorzy?
No.
You should.
Yeah, way to miss half of that. You're still missing.
Jesus.
What the is wrong with you?
You're supposed to pour it out of the lip of the cup, not the bottom.
You know what? Listen, I don't see either of you doing a goddamn thing.
Only you can
I'm
start
holding
missing
this
it.
hand.